describe cardiac cycle and cardiac output. So students, now let us study what is the definition of cardiac cycle and cardiac output. So in the cardiac cycle, the heart chambers contracts and relax. So here we can see there are 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. So when the auricles contract, the ventricles relax, and when the ventricles contract, the auricles relax. So this contraction and relaxation of the chambers of the heart is called cardiac cycle. So when the auricles contract, the blood in the auricles enter into the ventricles, and when the ventricles contract, the blood in the ventricles enters into the blood vessels. That is, specifically when right ventricles contract, the blood in the right ventricle enters into the pulmonary artery, and the blood in the left ventricle enters into the aorta, and through there it is supplied to the lungs and the respective chambers. Now this contraction and relaxation of the auricles and ventricles drives the blood flow throughout the body. So this is called cardiac cycle. The contraction stage is called systole and the relaxation stage is called diastole. So cardiac cycle includes contraction and relaxation, that is systole and diastole phase, and this drives the blood flow. This enables the blood to circulate throughout the body. And now the amount of blood pumped by the heart every minute is called cardiac output. So the total amount of blood pumped by the ventricles in every minute is called cardiac output. So cardiac cycle describes the phase of contraction and relaxation of the heart, which includes systole and diastole phases, and cardiac output is the total amount of the blood pumped by the ventricles every single minute. So this is about the definition of cardiac cycle and cardiac output.